Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy, and it's another backyard car repair videos that we are be doing today. And we got this 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander, and we will be replacing the rear brake pad and rotor for this car. And by the way, this one has an electronic parking brake, and I'm gonna show you, I will be showing you how to put this on maintenance mode using my top-down scanner. Right, so we are already here inside the car. So I hook up my scanner. So this is my top-down RT Diag Pro. So let's go on service. Brake reset. Let's see if we can use my top-down for maintenance mode of this car. Let's see. For full function, if it's successfully performed, especially, please go OK. So this is Mitsubishi. Right there, Mitsubishi. Switch on. I put it on position. Okay, this is North America. This is Outlander 2020. Okay, this. Okay. Electronic parking brake. Okay. Brakepad reset. Full release. See this full release control. We can hear a sound there. But before I'm gonna press this, I'm gonna show you. See the tire? You cannot move it. Now I'm gonna press that. Full release. Yes. On. You can hear it. It's retracting. Let's wait for a few minutes. Alright, and look at, you can move the tire now. See that? A while ago you could move it. Alright, now let's just leave it like that. Now we can replace the brake pad. So I'm not gonna show you all the details in replacing the brake pad. The most important thing is to show you how to release or put it on maintenance mode using my top-down RT Diag scanner. Wow. Look at the rotor. It's done. Right, so we're using number 14. Has 2 bolts that hold this caliper. Remove the caliper. Let's just look at it. Then we can use my Milwaukee. Right, let's remove it. Caliper. Let me we get a... Alright, it's the rotor. Put anti-seize. Now, new rotor. Put it on. Doesn't matter. Now we can put the caliper. Okay, let's put the Loctite. Okay. Right. Then the other one. So tighten it. Just be snug. Alright. Alright, so next one. Let's replace the brake pad. Okay, so still we're using number 14. We're gonna remove one of the bolt over here. Is this? Then let's try to, pull it down. I already removed the connection. Right. So it seems like we gotta remove both of the bolts. Replace brake pad. Alright. It's a caliper. So I'm just gonna push this in. This one. We're gonna be using the C-clamp. It's going in. Oh. Set. It's going in. It's going in. Alright, good. Now let's put the pad and right here. So I'm not gonna show you anymore how to put the pads. By the way, this is the second pad. Second pad is really worn. So just want to show you the brand new pad. I also put lubrication on the sliding pin and also the caliper. Put some grease. Now let's put it back together and let's do the second one on the other side, and I'll be showing you how to put it back or turn off the maintenance mode using my scanner. Right, so everything is installed. So as you can see in here, it moves, it will slide, and then the rotor, you can move it. Although this is a all-wheel drive. See that? Later on, I'm gonna after I finish the second one, I'm not gonna show you how to do it anymore. Same process with this. Then I'm gonna show you how to put it back on the remove from maintenance mode. So again, we're using my top-down RT diag. Until now, it's still on a maintenance mode. Right? Let's do this, the other one on the other side. Alright, so this one is done and it's moving. Now let's turn off the maintenance mode. Alright, so hopefully we had enough battery. It's most of the time, you know, that actuator gets a lot of ampere, so it drained the battery. Hopefully this one we still have enough battery. We still have enough voltage. Okay, let's just turn it off. So Mitsubishi, where's Mitsubishi? Okay, so it's on. So press it twice, then okay. So North America, Outlander, then 20, 4-wheel drive. Okay. Okay, Brakepad reset. So let's go in here. Are you sure? Yes. So let's turn off, I guess. Finish. Off. Well, you know what? Let's turn it on. It's finished. That's it. I think we're done. No way. Alright. Alright. So that's it. We just finished doing this 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander. So again, if you had any question in this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. So before we go, let's start the car. And let's see there. So see that, you know, brake, or means the circle one, the brake symbol. So let's, oops, nothing. So it's really working. So let's put the parking brake. It's not blinking. Let's check the tire. This shouldn't be moving. Oh yeah. Alright, perfect. Alright, good. Not blinking. That's it.